mag tuke kaka okang' mano mar tego tuke pacho kae. Migao mar tuke ochako chenro mano mar tiego jopuonj mondo mi obed jopuonj tuke mopogore opogore. Mano ka oloso sikund jopuonj mano ma Murang'a. Jagoro migao mar tuke Elijah Mwangi owacho ni sirkal osewuok oko mano mar tego migao mano mar tuke ka okenge mopogore opogore ma sirkal keto gin kaka mich mar omenda ne joloch kod midila ne joloch tuke mopogore. Tiegruok mano madhi kao ndalo 10 kod mohingo jopuonjre maromo 200 mago mag primary junior school kod mago be skunde mag senior. Jotelogo mago ma Kenya Academy Sports komakore kod Kenya Secondary School Sports Association kod mano mar primary koro dwaro mondo mi tuke mago mag rugby, handball, volleyball, hockey e kind mamoko bende koro omi pek madwarore.
If you see somebody who's very talented, you can be able to take a video of the person and send it to us at the academy. Then us, we can look at it with our coaches. If the person is good enough, we can always invite the person to come to the headquarters and we analyze the person. If it's good enough, then we train the person, or we include the person more, or give the person more training so that at least the person doesn't lose out.
Academic is good, but we also need to have, as part of the careers, somebody who can be a medical doctor, a qualified medical doctor, but very good in certain sports. Of course, there is no federations which doesn't have in their technical page a team doctor. So they are there, a physiotherapist, pediatrician, statisticians. Does it mean they have not gone to school? They are qualified, they are doctors, they have doctorates. But then we need to change the attitude.